Under spraying chestnut tree, the village smithy stands. The smith, a mighty man is he, with large and sinewy hands. The muscles of his brawny arms are strong as iron bands. His hair is crisp and black and buff, his face is like the tan. His brow is wet with honest sweat, he earns whate'er he can.
And looks
the whole world in the face for he was not a man. Week in, week out, from morn till night, he can hear his bells blow. Hear him swing his heavy sledge with the measured beat and slow. Like a section ringing the village bell when the evening sun is low. And children coming home from school, looking at the open door. Love to hear the flaming forge and hear the bellows roar. And catch the burning sparks that fly like chaff from the threshing floor. And goes on Sunday to the church and sits among his boys. He hears the parson pray and preach, hears his daughter's voice, singing in the village choir and makes his heart rejoice. It sounds to him like the mother's voice singing in paradise. His needs must think of her once more, how in the grave she lies. And with his hard rough hand, he wipes a tear out from his eyes. Toiling, rejoicing, sorrowing, onward through life he goes. Each morning sees a task begin, each evening sees it close.
something
Something attempted, something done has earned a night's repose. Thanks, my worthy. Thanks to thee, my worthy friend, for a lesson thou hast taught. For through the flaming forge of life our fortunes must be wrought.
thus on its
Its honest sounding anvil shaped has
each burning
deed